this is it. Put a button hook in on the end. Look, second put like that. Like this. And then you will put the shoelace. So you need to attach the shoelace. There you go. I have this old bag that I'm not using this one. It's inside the cupboard, but I need to get this so I can use this for my guitar strap. Here is the old buckle from my bag. So you need to put this buckle here until here in the middle, and then put another like this, right? And then this one you will put here. So once you put this one in the top, turn it like this. This one you need to put in the opposite side. So when you stitch this one, the finishing is like this, huh? And here, and then you will make here one stitch. This is it. We're done. This is the 17 inches shoelace. Then this is 10 inches. You will fold, so the finishing is 5. Then the curtain ring. And this is the old buckle, the buttonhole. And that's it. This is my personalized guitar strap. There you go. The buttonhole. You can put this shoelace here. And you can make a knot. Okay. Make sure it's strong. Like that. There you go. And then this you can adjust. You can make it short, you can make it long, right? This one. Starry, starry night, when you fell at in the sun's need eyes and is in my soul. Shadows on a hill, sketch the trees and daffodil, catch the breeze in winter chill, in colors and relieving them. Now I understand what you try to say to me. So that's it. This is my strap. There. Up to here. Beautiful. Personalized. Made by me.